today guys, we're going to prepare pilau, and these are all the ingredients we're gonna need. So here we have onions, here we have ginger and garlic paste. This is 5 blended tomatoes that we're gonna use as our tomato paste. These here are the spices. This is pilau masala, this is tumeric, oregano, this is basil, here we have meat. We're gonna steam and have it on the side. So everything is going to be linked down on the description box. Okay, so let's get started. So this is how I cook my pilau. I'm no chef, but it works for me. I start with putting the meat, our pre-boiled meat, then I'm gonna add our oil. Okay, don't come for me guys, this is how I do it. If you have a different way of doing it, okay. If you want to try my way, pia ni sawa. So I start with putting the meat and the oil, then I put my onions, alafu sasa nakoroga ndo zikuwe crunchy kidogo. Crunchy? No, so that they can, you know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, so I'm just going to give that a little stir mpaka zikuwe transparent ama ni translucent, whatever. Then I add my ginger. And then I add my ginger and garlic paste, nikoroge like that, so that they can mix and have the flavor. And as you can see, our meat has started to turn color, our onions shaanza kuiva. So I'm going to take my tomato paste and add it in like that, stirring. So yeah, stir like your life depends on it. Yeah, as you can see, our nini had already, hey, this voiceover thing guys, then that was spicy. That was spices I mixed with water that I had shown you in the beginning of the video. Then with this economy, we are wasting nothing. So yeah, so as you can see, imagine tu mtu akikurusha hapo kwa hiyo nini na mchele ama na mkate. Anyway, so I'm just going to pima my water. So I first put 1 cup of water so that isikashike chini, isikaungue. Okay. Then I put rice. We are making sure that we put all the rice. Rice is expensive. Anyway, so I just koroga and make sure that your rice has mixed vizuri with the rojo. Then I come back and measure my water, and I'll do the kienyeji way, nitapima na glass, nikiweka until I am contented. I don't know if y'all can see in the next sufuria there's something that is boiling. Those are eggs. Okay, so we are going to let that there boil. Yeah, those are the eggs. Hey, voiceover si rahisi. So these eggs zishaiva, mchele wangu naona imeshaisha maji, nitarusha tu hiyo naweka na kirere. So I put my eggs like that huko ndani, then I'm just going to let it funika na iive. So as it ivers, as you all can see there on our next side of fire, we are going to now steam our cabbages. I had already put in onions, 2 cubes, and salt. That's how I do my steamed cabbages. Cabbages, if I'm having cabbages za kukuliwa na kando. Kukuliwa kando. Okay, nasema? You know what I'm trying to say. If I'm steaming cabbages, yeah, this is the version of my steamed cabbage. Okay, so I first put onions, then I put cubes, then I put salt, everything. Then I come in with my cabbage, naeka tu ndani mos, as y'all can see. Now you're gonna funika it and wait for it to simmer, then ukuja ukoroge. As y'all can see, it's just green. Our pilau was ready at this point. Okay, so that is our pilau and our 2 eggs hapo hivyo ndani. Ilikuwa inakaa, it was smelling very nice. So let's serve. Ndo hiyo mimi nikachukua na kama yai kamoja. Oh guys, it was smelling so nice. I wish mnaweza sikia tu harufu kwa nini on your televisions, but you cannot. Okay, so I'm just going to add, because mimi na chakula jenga mwili haribu jina. Then I put those cabbages. They don't look amazing, but they taste amazing, I swear. So this was the taste. Okay, it was hot and I ate. Oh, shama, nilikuwa nasikia vizuri. Yeah, so it's approved. This is how I pick up my pilau. Thanks so much for watching my video, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you on my next one. Mwah.